So, the next video. I want to demonstrate now how the rotation speed of the stepper motor changes when I do change the parameter velocity. What I have done in preparation of this example is I have set the maximum acceleration to 10, which is a very low value. I have enabled the ramp mode 1, which is the S-formed shape, so that it will be more stable when it accelerates, as I hope to reach the maximum speed achievable through the velocity parameter, which has a value of 2047 max. So I want to demonstrate how changing this parameter, keeping the microstep resolution at 256 steps, accelerates the rotation speed of the stepper motor. And the thing that is worthwhile to mention is, please try to put an ear onto how much noise the motor makes while it runs at a different speed, as you will see differing noise generation, which also expression of the vibration it generates, and that is a reflection of how clean the electrical parameters are, the electrical dimensions or aspects of the power supply are working within the coils of the stepper motor, and thus allowing or limiting the acceleration of the stepper motor. So now I will just switch on and off the ampermeter, just to ensure that you can see the value of the current being consumed while working this way. And I will start to rotate the motor, rotate right. It rotates very slow. And now I go and I set the parameter velocity, which is the next speed, and I set it to a value of 100, which is about a fourth of what we had before. And so you can see it changing direction slowly. It is now, if I increase this value to 419, we will see the 1 hertz execution. This is for the velocity parameter of 490. Now I'm able to go to 1/4 of the maximum velocity parameter setting, which is 512. And you notice there is a considerable change in noise. Now I will double the speed, going to 1024. And you can see it moving faster, but you can also see it running louder. Now I will increase again by 1/4 to 1536. I hope it does not block the motor. Now you can see the rotation speed being higher. And as this gets critical, I will now increase it slowly. So I go to 1600. You can hear it that it is accelerating. We go to 1700. By doing these small steps and increase, I can achieve higher speeds without the motor blocking. I go now to 1800. But still, so if you consider that the stepper motor is on this large wooden surface that works as a resonator to the noise, to the vibration, it is still, compared to a servo, very silent. Now I increase the velocity parameter to 1900. You can see it moving faster. And now I go to the full speed of 2047. This is still at that speed. And I will change again by stopping the motor. As you saw it rotating a bit afterwards, that comes from a very low acceleration parameter I've set to a value of 10, which also can go to 2047, which would make stop it immediately. So to make the stop slower, I will try to crash it now by making it move again, but this time I will make it move left. And you can see it now rotating to the other side and no problem, and I stop it once more. Oh, it stopped.